Welcome to Letters from Elsewhere Mail Club. I want to show you what it's in August letter. I just have to mention that this is my second letter. You're going to receive, it's a blue envelope at the moment. When you receive your letter, it's going to be like this. When you open, this is just a protection paper. So you're going to receive my letter. The whole idea is to give you an option to travel, even if you're not able to, or if you're a traveler, to share kind of experience. So each month it's going to be a different theme or a different place I visited. It could be just a village, it could be some event in some country, or the city, or the desert, or whatever it can get to your mind. And it's my experience, but also something I learned along the way. Everything else is also drawn by me, and I always kind of put a little details like rituals that were inspired by that region, and the rituals are meant to be something that inspires you in your daily life, because I have lots of experience in the wellness and spa, education, work experience, and wellness has always been part of my life. So I like to share those knowledge with you, but also the inspiration I get from the place where I've been and I'm writing about. Second thing is a map. You're always going to find a little map in your envelope with little kind of treasures and the places where I believe you should experience in order to get real cultural immersion, if you know what I mean. So probably there are some attractions, but also there is hidden spots. Just explore if you ever go to that place physically. I really think that when you meet some culture, part of it, beside the arts and the history, it's actually tasting the food. That's my favorite part, to go to different restaurants and try different kind of food, but traditional one. And the recipe I usually make, it's something mine, something unique, and something that, of course, I was inspired by the particular thing. Is it ingredient or the way they made this dish, and then I make my own. I call it like 10 minutes fancy table because it's, I don't know, it sounds really cute, but it's fancy because it's actually very fast and supposed to be healthy, in my opinion. I'm trying to make something for you who like something fast because you don't have time. Your schedule is full of different activities, but also very you like healthy and you enjoy the food. So it's not just like to eat, you enjoy the food, so you need something special. And I love doing that part as well. Everything as you see, it's drawn by me. It's just I enjoy the whole process. And one of the things I usually add to this is a wellness tip or self-investment tip, and that's something that I believe you should invest in yourself each month, and I'll give you ideas, and of course it's inspired by the whole story, the ideas that I pick up from the culture of the place that I believe we can implement at least for a month, just to see something different, just to experience something different, and I believe that can change our way of thinking. Crete is an amazing island, it's huge, and there is lots of different parts of Crete that reminds you like, I feel like I'm in a different place in a different country, because on one side you have lots of palms, on the other side you have a black beaches that is from the Libyan Sea, and then you have a canyon, and then you have historical part. I think it's one of the places that definitely you want to go. And the last part, like a basic thing that I always add, it's my drawing, which is hard to always kind of print and cut properly, and I choose the thyme, and I usually put a few drops, so when you open it you can actually smell. But also at the back side I always attach a few benefits that are really important. Like, for example, if you take this little treasure with you to trip, it can be very helpful. I always have like at least 3-4 bottles of different ethereal essential oils that I like to use it on a long trips or short trips. They're really, really good. I don't have particular kind of suggestion for you. Most of the time I'm using doTERRA oils. These are new that I tried in France, because sometimes you have to try new things, and that's one of the pieces that you will get, and you can collect, usually seal it so the smell can stay quite longer. You can hang somewhere, or you can just make a book and pile them, and then when you're ready to travel and take your essential oils with you, you have your little notebook. So this is like a basic thing that you got in August, and because I just started Snail Mail Club, and I promised my first 50 subscribers they will get some piece of art from me. It's a hot air balloon inspired by my first letter. I don't know, can you see it? It's a little bit different. It's a little bit stronger light, but brand, and there is one unique for each person. I already sent 10, so I have 40 more. Feel free to subscribe now and get one until I still have them. And that was one of the challenges for me, and that is it's still going. Actually, I'm still drawing them. I thought I'm gonna finish like in 30 days, but with all kind of traveling stuff around family and other channel that I have, it's kind of a little bit difficult though. So this one you'll get protected because I'm sending you a piece of my heart. You are the only one who has it. Even I don't have it. I won't kind of print them. It's one and only draw by me, and that's it. You can frame it, you can give as a present, you can just put in your diary. It's up to you. It's a like piece of my personal creative space just for you. So now I'm going to prepare something for September. I hope you will enjoy.